Welcome to Science Facts. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing science facts that will truly blow your mind. Let's dive right in. Fact number 1. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Water can actually boil and freeze at the same time, but only at a special point called the triple point. This occurs when the temperature and pressure are just right, allowing water to exist in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas, simultaneously. The triple point is a unique scientific phenomenon, and it's not something we usually encounter in everyday life. Fact number 2. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. Did you know the Eiffel Tower can grow by up to 15 centimeters during the summer? This happens because the iron it's made from expands when it gets heated. As temperatures rise, the metal stretches, causing the tower to become taller. So, if you visit Paris during the summer, you might be seeing the Eiffel Tower at its largest. Fact number 3. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus has a very unique orbit and rotation. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, meaning it takes Venus that long to complete one full rotation on its axis. But here's the twist. Its year is only 225 Earth days. So a day on Venus is actually longer than its year. It's one of the many peculiarities about this planet. Fact number 4. Humans glow in the dark. Yes, you read that right. Humans actually emit a small amount of light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. However, the light is so faint that it's invisible to the human eye. This is caused by chemical reactions in our bodies, but don't worry. It's not the kind of glow you'd see in a dark room or in the dark of night. It is too subtle to notice. Fact number 5. Bananas are radioactive. Bananas are slightly radioactive because they contain potassium-40, a naturally occurring radioactive isotope of potassium. But don't panic. The radiation level is so low that it's completely harmless to humans. In fact, the radiation from a banana is so small that you would have to eat millions of them at once to experience any effects. Fact number 6. Your nose can detect 1 trillion scents. The human sense of smell is far more powerful than we often realize. In fact, your nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells. This makes your sense of smell incredibly sensitive and capable of distinguishing even the most subtle odors. It's a superpower we use every day, though we don't always give it the credit it deserves. Fact number 7. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The universe is so vast that it's hard to comprehend just how many stars exist. There are an estimated 100 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. And with billions of galaxies out there, the total number of stars is incomprehensibly huge. Some scientists estimate that there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts of Earth combined. Fact number 8. Honey never spoils. Honey is one of the few foods that never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still perfectly edible after thousands of years. This is because honey has natural preservatives. Its low moisture content and high acidity make it inhospitable to bacteria and microorganisms, keeping it fresh for millennia. Fact number 9. The Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. The temperature in the Earth's inner core is about 500 degrees Celsius, which is the same as the surface of the sun. The core is made of molten iron and nickel, and it generates immense heat and pressure. It's amazing to think that while we walk around on Earth's surface, this intense heat is just beneath our feet. Fact number 10. DNA can store a mind-blowing amount of data. DNA is not only the blueprint for life, but it's also an incredibly efficient data storage system. Just 1 gram of DNA has the potential to store 215 petabytes of data. That's 215 million gigabytes. Scientists have even begun exploring the idea of using DNA as a medium for data storage, which could revolutionize how we store information in the future. That's it for today. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Science Facts for more mind-blowing science content.